Feeling overwhelmed, running on autopilot? What if I told you that one peaceful day at home can reset your mind, body, and spirit? Hi, this is Rashmi, your holistic health coach, and welcome to my world of wellness. Today I'm sharing a simple home retreat idea, something you can do anytime right from your living room. Just pick a day, play it on paper so everything flows gently. You can write down a day before what you're planning for your afternoon retreat, and even can explore a simple art or passion, whatever you want. You can just do that. Here I'm doing a very easy sketch, something that brings me so much peace. You can choose any picture to draw. There are so many available online. Start with a rough sketch like how I'm doing it here, and then outline it using a gel pen. It's calming, meditative, and really centers your mind. Let me know in the comments what's your passion, what's something you'd love to do if you give yourself one intentional day. My idea behind this afternoon retreat is simple. Give yourself little time just for you and enjoy these gentle activities at your own pace. You don't have to wait for the weekend or a vacation to go out for any retreat. You can design your own mini retreat every day if your schedule allows, or if you're working, just choose one day a week to slow down. And if you're a mom, I get it. With small kids, even carving out just 30 minutes while they nap or play can be really powerful. It helps you to reconnect with yourself right where you are. Stay with me because I've got some more nourishing pieces of this retreat coming up. I'm not an expert in drawing, but I'm just trying to create something simple here, something that makes me feel calm. Art has this beautiful way of slowing the mind down. It brings you into the moment gently and quietly. We are always rushing, always doing something, and we never find time to ourselves. But we think we don't have time, but we do have time. So try this sketch, or you can even copy my sketch the way I'm doing. You can just follow along and see if you like it. You can pursue any hobby or even develop a new one. You'll be surprised how much you already know deep down and how much you can still learn at any age. Art is such a powerful form of expression. It allows you to release your emotions, reflect your thoughts, and create something meaningful, even in silence. Sometimes you don't need words, just a pencil, some colors, and a little time. Art helps you express what's inside in the most honest and beautiful way. It also helps your emotions a place to go, whether you are feeling joy, peace, or even a little overwhelmed. It will find a quiet home on the page. It's almost complete, and now I'm going to make my chamomile tea. Something simple, soothing, and perfect for this peaceful afternoon. Stay tuned for the recipe. I've also shared the chickpea curry recipe, Thai curry, and a delicious high protein smoothie in this video. So stay with me till the end so you won't miss anything. So my sketching is almost finished. So let me make some chamomile tea now. Now it's time for my favorite calming ritual, chamomile tea. It's so simple to make and works wonders for your nervous system. Just boil some water, pour it over the tea bag, and let it steep for about 5 minutes. I'm using an organic chamomile tea bag from the Whole Foods, but if you can find loose dried flowers, that's even better. Benefits: there are too many benefits of chamomile tea. It helps to calm the mind and reduce anxiety, supports better sleep and relaxation, it eases digestion and bloating. It has some anti-inflammatory properties as well. It soothes the body and mind, perfect for an afternoon retreat. It's caffeine free, gentle, and grounding, exactly what you need for a quiet, intentional break. So my favorite part of this afternoon retreat is this simple moment, just me, my cup of chamomile tea, and some peaceful bhajans in the background. It's my little tradition to put on soft devotional music, usually some gentle bhajans, and just sit quietly with my tea. No scrolling, no rushing, just being fully present. The music adds a beautiful energy to the space, something sacred, grounding, and deeply calming. It helps me slow down, breathe deeper, and reconnect with myself. So, guys, this combination of chamomile tea and bhajans feel like soul nourishment. It's the kind of moment that makes you feel like time has paused just for you. So, do try this little activity for your afternoon retreat and stay with me because I'm going to show you a super nutritious chickpea Thai curry. It's very easy to make and I'll show the video. I already made it, prepare it in the morning. So I'm going to show you. So first I'm sauteing some tofu. I'm using organic extra farm tofu. It holds up really well in curry. To give it some flavor, I'm adding some red chili sauce and some ginger, Thai sweet ginger chili sauce. Make sure it's free of all the additives and it's an easy way to add more protein if I add tofu also. So now I'll be sauteing some bell pepper. They add color, crunch and more nutrition. Don't overcook them. You want them little crispy, and I'll be adding some little bit of garlic and ginger also. Just lightly roast them. It tastes so good and gives a really good color to my dish. I usually avoid using canned chickpeas, so I boiled some chickpeas earlier. You can use canned ones if you don't have time. So here I'm adding all the spices, all the seasonings. I also added some organic chickpea masala from Indian store, and then coriander, some garam masala, some amchur masala. I shared the recipe in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Here I'm adding this boiled chana. So just mix everything so that all the masalas are easily mixed in the curry. And here I added some coconut milk. I also I'm adding the spinach leaves in the last, so they don't really become very soggy. It gives good color and taste. So my dish is ready. It smells so good. It's so cozy and satisfying. Really, you should try this recipe. You can serve this with some plain rice or even brown rice or quinoa. Today I made white rice. So that's it. You've got a complete balanced meal that's high in protein, packed with fiber. It's loaded with antioxidants and healthy fats from coconut milk. And honestly, it's so comforting. So let me know if you try this recipe or if you have already made this recipe before in the comment section. So now I'm just going to do the plating. I've got some warm rice ready and I'm just pouring this chickpea curry right on top. I'll be adding some tofu now, and look at that, such a comforting and nourishing plate. It smells amazing, by the way. It's colorful, packed with protein, fiber, good fat, just a perfect meal for your retreat afternoon. So I hope you'll try this recipe. So to wrap up my retreat day, I'm making a quick high protein smoothie. It's refreshing, nourishing and takes just a couple of minutes. I'm using frozen berries and mango. They're full of antioxidants and natural sweetness. I'm not adding any sugar. And I'm also will be adding some grass-fed protein powder and some yogurt. It's unsweetened. It's the stevia with grass-fed protein powder. And I just use 2 to 3 spoon of yogurt for extra creaminess, and it's a probiotic one. So smoothie is ready. Berries are amazing, guys. They're loaded with antioxidant. It helps to fight inflammation, support your skin, brain, and heart health, and even boost immunity. Plus, they're low in sugar and high in fiber, which and that's all for today. I hope this little afternoon retreat inspired you to slow down and do something just for yourself. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll share an evening retreat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it out. Your body and mind will thank you. See you next time.